So our project today is we're making a base for our chair that has rollers on it. And it's going to be in two pieces. This is going to be the first piece, which is 39 inches by 39 inches. And what we're going to do is I trimmed this one off already, so this will be our starter board. And this is the recycled oak, or not oak, maple flooring, hard maple, out of a gym or banquet area. So, and I also, we went through and we sanded these and cleaned these out, the grooves out, so all the dirt's out of there. And I went through with a nail and cleaned this all off. So these are really in nice shape now, ready to go on. Now they're still dirty, but I'll steel wool this and we'll coat it later. So we have to put them together like that, and we'll have to even them up. And then I have these 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch pieces, and I sanded one edge already. So we'll have to lay this down, and I don't know if I can, yeah, I can do it here. So we'll put 2 screws in here, 2 screws in here, and we'll do this on both sides, and we'll go right up through. At 39 inches, we'll cut it off, and we'll have our platform. I've already sanded the edges here so they're rounded off. So it's going to be a nice, it's not sharp, even if one's a little higher than the other. So let's start pre-drilling this, and we're going to have to counter drill these also, because this maple's really hard and dense. Maple's a closed grain wood, so it's really dense. So we'll have to pre-drill them before we drive the screws in. So let's get going.